In this video, we are going to learn about permutations with repetition. First, let's remember what a permutation is. A permutation is an ordering or an arrangement of a certain objects, and often permutation problems will ask you in how many ways can you pick and arrange a certain number of objects from a larger set of objects, but what happens when some of those original objects are the same now? These sorts of problems are permutation problems with repetition, and these problems will often take the form of a word that has some repeated letters, and you're trying to figure out how many words can you make from the original word. So, for example, the word Mississippi. This is an 11-letter word, but some of the letters are the same. Notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different I's. We also have 4 S's and 2 P's. So, if we wanted to think about how many ways could we rearrange the letters in the word Mississippi, we could just say that would be 11P11 or 11 permutation 11. Because we have 11 letters and we're trying to rearrange them is because we would end up counting some words twice. We're going to take that and divide by the number of ways to rearrange each of the letters that they are multiples. So how many ways can I rearrange the P's? Well, in 2 ways. Well, in general, it will just be the number factorial. So for the P's, we're dividing by 2 factorial. For the I's, we're dividing 4 factorial. That's because there are 4 factorial different ways to rearrange 4 I's. And same thing for the S's, 4 factorial. Now, we just need to compute this out. In how many words can we make from the word Mississippi? One way would be to write out 11P11 as multiplication. You could also use your calculator to do all these calculations. And 11P11 is 39,916,800. And we're dividing that by 2 because 2 factorial means 2 times 1. And 4 factorial, which means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24. And then dividing by 24 again. And the result is 34,650. Which means there are 34,650 ways to arrange the word Mississippi with repetition.